everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make chickpeas and quinoa salad. In a non-stick pan on medium heat, sauté the chickpeas using 1 tablespoon oil. Then, to make the chickpeas slightly crunchy, add it to your air fryer for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, transfer it to a bowl and add the spices of your choice. Then add the cooked quinoa and mix well. Add your favorite veggies, feta cheese, lemon juice, sesame seeds and mix everything well and serve.